माय बर्थडे पार्टी, मेरी सालगिरह की दावत। हाय, आई एम अंशु। इट्स माय बर्थडे टुडे। माय मदर baked a cake for me. My father put balloons everywhere. My brother made a greeting card. My grandfather, grandmother, uncle, and aunt came for my birthday party. My friends Aman, John, Priya, and Sania also came for the party. I said welcome. We lighted candle. Then I cut the cake. All my friends sang, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anshu. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. They give me gifts. Then we all ate cakes, chocolates, and laddus. I said, thank you. We all enjoyed birthday party.